for today's video, English tayo ngayon. I will try to speak English for the request of my subscriber.
I took money off Donald TV's channel. Let's do that.
For today's video, guys, I will show you how to install this coupling without removing all of these pipes. Actually, you cannot install this one if you will not remove all of these pipes. So I will show you guys how to install this one. So first, we will remove some parts of this coupling. So we need a file to remove the stopper. So I will show you what is stopper inside of this coupling. This one, guys. This one. We will going to remove this stopper. So as you can see, I remove already half of this stopper, and then I will show you how to remove this one. We will use only file like this. We will remove slowly. So as can you see, guys, there is no stopper anymore in our coupling. So this is ready now to install to our pipe. So let's do it, guys. So guys, this is how it works. So we remove already, right? And then we will slide this one inside, and then put in a good position. See? It's okay. And we only try this one without any gasket. So this is okay. We will make this as a stopper of this coupling. So we don't have stopper, right? So we will put this as a stopper. So we will make like this only. That one, guys. See? Very nice, right? You cannot move that one. Make it tight. So if we don't have this clamp, we can put one also here. So 2 to 4 pieces. So this coupling will not move. So yeah, guys. So guys, if you're not subscriber of my channel, please click this button downside, and thank you very much. Say hi to your friends, my friend.
Likat mo.
Say hi.
They will be subscribe your channel.
Look here.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Inshallah.
Inshallah. We are like
Shukran.